Introducing Bermuda grass, Cynodon dactylon of the family Poaceae. Bermuda grass is a perennial grass widely distributed in tropical and subtropical regions. It is valued for its agricultural, environmental, and medicinal uses. As a forage crop, it is an important source of feed for livestock due to its high palatability and nutritional value. The grass is also extensively used for lawns, sports fields, and soil stabilization due to its dense growth habit and ability to prevent soil erosion. In traditional medicine, Bermuda grass has been used to treat wounds, fever, urinary disorders, diabetes, gastrointestinal problems, and inflammatory conditions. Phytochemical studies have shown that the plant contains flavonoids, alkaloids, glycosides, tannins, and phenolic compounds that contribute to its antioxidant, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, wound healing, and hepatoprotective activities. These properties make Bermuda grass an important plant for both ecological management and traditional healthcare practices.